Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning, some isolated scattered light rain showers across the area. Taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see those showers mainly just south of the area. Had some showers move through the island, the main base, the last hour or so. Going to see these showers possibly shift back northward for a time period this morning and become more isolated this afternoon with the possibility of a pop-up thunderstorm embedded in these isolated showers for this afternoon as well. And taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 12,700 feet. Winds are fairly uniform throughout the column this morning and light, seeing winds only at 23 knots at 1,000 feet. Then we're seeing those winds remain between 15 and 25 knots up to 6,000 feet, then decreasing and becoming more southerly at 12,000 feet, 8 knots, and then seeing our winds pick back up out of the southwest at 26 knots, and that's a peak wind at 20,000 feet this morning. And taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure over the Tennessee Valley. We have a stationary boundary that's running from there over the North-South Carolina border off the Carolina coast. That's going to develop an area low pressure over this region and move into our region for tomorrow, giving us windy, rainy conditions, very unsettled for this time of year, with more of a nor'easter type look to it, with the area low pressure moving through the region for our Wednesday. And Thursday we'll move back into the warm sector with this stationary boundary moving north of our area, and this area low pressure kind of remaining stationary over the eastern portion of the United States, and that's going to give us a continued chance of some showers and thunderstorms throughout the rest of the week. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region, mainly in the upper levels. You see a little thinning off to the north and west of the area, but we do have that weak trough across the area, pumping in that lower to mid-level cloud cover, and there's those rain showers as well across our area this morning, and expecting that throughout the most of the day today with the mid-cloud cover, especially over the region. And taking a look at the HRRR model for the next 48 hours, you can see here those rain showers this morning. The HRRR does develop some showers and possible better thunderstorms for this afternoon. This model has been very inconsistent this morning, however, so this coverage here expected to be a little overdone for the afternoon hours, with only isolated showers and thunderstorms. And moving into the late afternoon hours, should see a decent break with that weak trough moving well west of our area. And then moving into the overnight hours, we're going to see a better chance of rainfall moving in and across the region. Here is 8 o'clock local tomorrow morning. You'd see rain showers across the region. We'll see windy conditions as well with that area low pressure developing and moving to our region for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. And that's going to continue the rain showers for Wednesday. Fairly ugly day for this time of year for Wednesday. Wind gusts between 35 and 40 knots, rain showers throughout the area, and continue seeing those chances of showers and possibly a thunderstorm for Wednesday night and Thursday. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see here the evolution of this pattern with the area low pressure developing and moving into the region for tomorrow. That's going to give us, as I mentioned, a good amount of rainfall across the region, most likely around a half to 1 inch rainfall tomorrow. And then once we move into Thursday morning, going to see possibly a break in the activity for Thursday afternoon as this area low pressure moves north of the area Thursday morning. But we'll continue to see that area low pressure cross the Tennessee Valley. That's going to allow for us to be seeing showers and thunderstorms moving into the region. Looks like another disturbance moves through Thursday night into Friday, giving us a slightly better chance of shower thunderstorm. And then we'll continue to see diurnal showers and thunderstorms for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday, and possibly even continuing into Monday, with the lowest chance looks like on Sunday and Monday of those showers and thunderstorms. Monday, right now, the European holds a cold front back until Tuesday. GFS brings it through on Monday, so going to continue to monitor the speed of that on Monday and Tuesday, but right now looks like not high-end chances of showers and thunderstorms. We'll continue to refine that forecast as we get closer. So looking at those shower and thunderstorm chances today, 20% chance of thunderstorms throughout the day today until 1600 local, and then we should see a break in the activity for late afternoon and the evening hours. And then once we move in the overnight hours, we'll see those rain showers start to move back in from the ocean, and a good chance of rainfall once again, or likely scenario by tomorrow morning at 8 local. We'll see our winds today out of the northeast to east-northeast and gusting around 24, 25 knots throughout the day today. And then we'll see those winds pick up tomorrow morning, gusting up to 30 knots with that area low pressure getting closer. And we'll see those winds I mentioned gusting to 35 to 40 knots by tomorrow afternoon. Our Temperatures today be upper 70s as it appears now. We do have that rainfall keeping those temperatures a little bit cooler this morning, but should see that, as I mentioned, become more isolated this afternoon. Should see our highs in the upper 70s. As we move into the overnight hours, seeing temperatures only in the upper 60s for lows. So it looks like we're more into a summertime type pattern here next week or so, with our lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, as I mentioned, will keep that 20% chance of a thunderstorm from now through 1600 local, and then we'll reintroduce that 20% after Wednesday at 4 local with that area low pressure approaching. We'll see overall, should see VFR conditions today. Most of the cloud cover is going to be in the mid-levels to upper levels between about 8 and 15,000 feet. Looks like our ceilings today. As we move in the overnight hours, we'll see low cloud moving in with the rain showers and that area low pressure approaching with broken deck expected around 1,000 feet, overcast at 3,000 feet by tomorrow, rain showers in the area. We'll see our tides about 1/2 to 1 foot above normal. Looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday overcast with rain likely and windy. Wind gusts between 35 and 40 knots, as I mentioned. Slight chance of a better thunderstorm as well, high 70. Wednesday night, cloudy with rain showers likely. A good chance of a thunderstorm as appears right now. Breezy early, low of 68. We'll see those winds early in this forecast time period. So that would be Wednesday evening, 8 local. Looks like we'll continue to see those winds over 25 knots and then decrease overnight. We'll see that warm front or stationary boundary move through the region Wednesday night, and that looks like a good force for our thunderstorms chances for that time period. And then Thursday, we're going to be in the warm sector of the area low pressure, much more humid, more summery, temperatures in the upper 70s with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms in the area for Thursday. And then moving into our next 7 days, you see a 40% chance of those showers today. Wednesday, not a nice day across the region, 70 degrees for a high, so about 10 degrees below average this time of year, as well as seeing those rainy and windy conditions. Thursday, going with a 50% chance for this whole entire time period here, with looks like a better chance of rainfall, possibly late Thursday into Friday morning with that upper level disturbance moving through. But should see more isolated scattered activity on Thursday. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, very summertime-like pattern with diurnal showers and thunderstorms expected each day. High around 81 on Friday, 83 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday, and looks like right now, Monday, not going to introduce any chances of showers and thunderstorms with that cold front timing still in question. Temperatures in the mid-80s. We'll see inland locations, especially starting Sunday and Monday, in the upper 80s and humid. So getting into summertime type temperatures, as is expected this time of year, once we move into the weekend and early next week, as expected about late June. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.